Okay, so this is the closet. We took down half of it, and it was just the Container Store Elfa shelving, I think is what it's called. Then we are going to wash and prep the walls and throw some wallpaper up. So we will check out the transformation once this is all done. So take down old shelving. We're gonna keep those wall anchors in there, so that way once wallpaper goes up, it'll be easy to put back together. Hey guys, so the room is getting done. We got wallpaper all the way around the little corner there. Ooh, got a little bit to wrap up here, but I'm gonna start putting some of the shelving up. Got those lights on order, and you will see the transformation soon. Okay, here is the final product. Wallpapered, reconfigured the Elfa shelving, and please excuse the big mess. I obviously need to reorganize my closet, but I couldn't stand having it in my bedroom any longer, so I just kind of threw things haphazardly everywhere. These are the new lights. Much better than what we've had before. And there you go. Nice way to, better than the dark blue. Now I feel bright and cheery when I come in here, so, ta-da.